Righteous Consultant 333, like and subscribe. Send this video far and wide. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Bad credit. Why? Get it fixed. It's simple. All you need to do is use AI to do it. And the FCRA. This is not a joke. It's not a game. It's not even a secret at this point in time. All you got to do is use AI to take anything that you have negative on off your credit using the FCRA. You know, tell ChatGPT to write you a dispute letter, send it to the credit bureaus, dispute it, wait 30 days, nothing happened, take an arbitration, get it off your credit. It's simple. Get paid while you do it. So if you're new to my channel is about credit, and it's about disputing, because things happen in one lives that you need to know how to dispute to get the remedy that you seek. Because if you don't know how to articulate yourself in a manner that you know what you say, it also it give you some type of relief, some type of remedy. You're gonna be out of luck, because things is gonna happen all the time. Things always happen, you know, some more than others. But and this can happen if you're rich, you're poor, if you're a Christian, you're a Muslim, it don't matter. So you need to know how to do these things. You know how to handle these things. It's a lot of stuff that that you could do, that you utilize this technology. You don't got to be no lawyer. This is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. You're not gonna sue me because I'm giving the people the sauce. I'm not telling you no cap. I'm really telling you the truth. Like, you can use these consumer laws to get these things off your credit report or stop being sued and stuff like that. You could use these laws. You have power, especially if they got an arbitration agreement. You could use that as a consumer, and they would have to pay most of the payments. You need to use that for your leverage. You need to learn how to do this. This is what you need to do. Then when you do this, I always tell people to, make yourself look good on paper. Buy a age course, primary accounts, trade lines, etc. Make yourself look good on paper so you can go to the bank and borrow money at a low interest rate and use that money to buy business, or have somebody teach you how to open a business and let the money from the business pay back the loan. That's how you stay up. Buy real estate, you buy assets, you buy stuff like that, then you use his own. It's simple. But it's a lot of this information that was hidden from us. But now we got stuff at our fingertips, these phones and stuff, man. And this is not no cap. I just got this right now, maybe like an hour ago. I just opened it up. I told you I get them every week. It don't be major, but I'm thinking about it. You got something on your account, right? That you know is yours, but you able to get it all because you know this information. And you get paid in the process, right? You don't think that's a win-win situation? Why would you not want to know this information? Now, if I'm just capping, then all right, like, get your weird ass out the way. You fine. None of that shit is real. I get that, but this is not fake. This is real shit. Because this is real for real. You really do this, and I've been doing it, and I'm not even the best. So I know anybody pretty much could do this. You get out of Anybody could do this. Especially I could teach you. So I can't show the company because I signed the agreement. I get these every week. They said, okay, yeah. I get these motherfuckers every week, man. I get these every week. I don't want to put on some hacker hack me like I'm rich or something. I get these every week. I get these checks every week, man. And it's not the stunt. It's just to show you some type of proof. Because anybody could be like, "Oh, that's fake. I didn't see it." I get these motherfuckers every week from stuff that I had on my account. Now I have nothing on my account. Now I have good stuff on my account, no negative stuff. What I'm saying, primary accounts. You go to Credit Strong. It's different little places. It's things you can do to make yourself look good on paper. It's people that got primaries that said that you worth 100 grand or something, or you pay something off 100,000 off. That look good when you go to the bank. They're like, you pay something off 100 grand. It makes them want to, want to give you money or feel comfortable, because somebody trusted you before and you paid the back. So it look good. You could make yourself look good on paper on getting that. Then you could go buy, you go get some money from the bank at a low rate. You make yourself look good on paper. First, you get all the negatives off your account. Then after you do that, you make yourself look good on paper. You build your credit up. There's all type of things you can do. You can buy, like I said, primary accounts. You can buy trade lines. You can get an age course. You don't know what these things are, look it up. I can't do all the footwork. I'll give you the sauce. Get all the stuff off your credit. Make yourself look good. Line up the banks and go borrow money from the banks. Each bank pulls from different bureaus. So if these banks only pull from this bureaus, I'm just go to all of these banks. I'm gonna hit 3 of these up. Then tomorrow I'm gonna go hit these 3 up because they only pull from here. They didn't see I got money from these other 3 banks. No, 9 banks. You got look. If you making yourself safe, for instance, you look like you like 500,000 to the good on credit on paper. You got good credit and everything, and you go to the bank. You don't think you could get like 100 or 50 or 60 or 70? Then you just go to different banks and line up. Imagine you went to 10 banks, 9 banks, and they each bank gave you 50 grand. That's down there $500,000. You know what you can do with that if you really know what to do? It's not hard to get the money. It's what you're going to do when you get it. I have the route to get it, a legal route. You don't got to hurt nobody. You don't got to rob nobody. This is a legal route to get some money. I'm not selling you that. I'm telling you this is what you could do. You could get your stuff off your credit, make yourself look good on paper, and go borrow some money from the bank at a low interest rate. 0% interest, 12 months, 18 months, 12 months, 100,000. That's just $1,000 a month. Pick 12 to the side, you got 100, you got 88 to do, do what you do. You want more, go hit the other banks up, line it up. Don't know what to do, pay somebody to hit you. And just let your money that that the business is making that you bought. You can go buy business. Oh, I forgot to even say that. You go buy business that's already generating capital, already cash flow off websites. You got people that's retiring and their kids don't want it. They probably put their kids to school and all type of stuff with that laundromat, car wash, whatever you want to buy. Storage center, all these unsexy little things generate capital monthly, 15, 20, $10,000 a month. You could buy it because they want out anyway, because their kids don't want it. Using the bank money, getting the niggas off your credit report. I'm giving you the sauce, righteous consultant. Tap in. If you want to know how to do this, link is in the description. If you want us to do it for you, link is in the description. Peace.